Hey guys, if your Wyze bulb won't connect to the Wyze app, keeps failing during setup, or never joins your Wi Fi network, you're in the right place. This problem is usually caused by the bulb not being in pairing mode. Your phone using a 5 GHz Wi Fi network instead of 2.4 GHz, an incorrect Wi Fi password, or the bulb being too far from the router during setup. In some cases, the pairing process may also fail if the Wyze app or the bulb firmware needs to be updated. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. 1. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi Fi network before starting the setup. 2. Reset the Wyze bulb until it begins blinking to enter pairing mode. 3. Open the Wyze app and add the bulb as a new device. 4. Keep the bulb close to the Wi Fi router until the setup is complete. 5. Update the Wyze app and bulb firmware after the connection is successful.